Hello, this is your boy Rani for Tech Solutions. Alright, this is the robot we've all been waiting for. Reproko Shagada. Alright, this is Signal Machine plus Capping Pro. Signal Machine plus Capping Pro robots. Alright, this is the first edition of the robots version 1.0. okay, here is the full display of the Signal Machine plus Capping Pro robot. You can see that the robot works with the Signal Machine plus Capping Pro indicator. All right, the idea and its concepts, all right, is all gotten from the Signal Machine plus Capping Pro indicator. All right, so let's see how it works. You take a cell from here, all right, and the market keeps on going, okay, to move down to this spot where you leave the market. I seen it. So you take a cell from here, move straight to this place here, all right, you leave the market. This is where you leave the market. Let me trace it with my line. Okay, so you take a cell from here. I seen it. You enter from here, take a cell from here, all right, look at the spot, you take a cell, all right, here, this is where you take a cell, all right, so you leave the market, you then leave the market here, all right, you leave the market here. I seen it, you leave the market here. So I'm taking a buy now that the market has pushed up, now that I've seen that the market has pushed up, okay, to this level. The market has pushed up to this level. From down it has pushed up, all right, so I'm going to take a buy. That's what I'm doing now. So I will take a buy straight to that same level, the same spots, all right. Okay, so you can see we're on profit. You can see we're on profit right now. You can see, look at it, $108. So if you're trading $1,000, okay, if you're trading $1,000, it's best for you. Okay, if you're using just $100, I beg, use one position, okay, or two positions. Use one or two positions, because if you program the robot to be opening a lot of positions like this, you need to watch your free margin. Okay, you need to watch your free margin. So if you don't want to risk too much on your $100 account, one position for $100 account or two positions, okay, all right, one or two position, that is 0.2, because I think that is the least lot size for crash. Okay, all right, so if you want to trade crash, you want to trade boom, all right. So this is it. All right, so you can see on our screen we are having $502, all right, $502 Signal Machine plus Capping Pro. Okay, $502 right now. Okay, $502 is massive. It's massive. Okay, it's massive. All right, so we're using the margin of 278 margin level, $278 okay. All right, so you can see how massive it is. Okay, how massive it is. Very massive, very massive. Okay, so get your Signal Machine plus Capping Pro robot right away. Okay, all right, get your Signal Machine plus Capping Pro robot immediately. Okay, all right, contact me with these numbers on the screen. Contact me with this number on the screen, okay, so that you can be able to have your own copy. All right, subscribe, like, share, and tell me what you think about the Signal Machine plus Capping Pro robots in the comment section. Have a wonderful day.